Business vocabulary. Should these abstract words be forbidden in business English? Introduction to misunderstood words. Today, we will learn about forbidden words in business. These are words that can create misunderstandings or negative feelings. Understanding these words can help you communicate better. Vocabulary word, synergy. Synergy means working together to create a better outcome. Example, when two companies merge, they can create synergy. Leverage. Leverage means using something to maximum advantage. Example, you can leverage your skills to get a better job. Paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is a big change in how something is done. Example, the internet caused a paradigm shift in communication. Bandwidth. Bandwidth refers to the amount of data that can be transmitted. Example, a company needs enough bandwidth for video calls. Disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation is a new idea that changes the market. Example, smartphones disrupted the market for regular phones. Value proposition. A value proposition explains why a customer should choose a product. Example, a good value proposition highlights benefits. Stakeholder. A stakeholder is anyone who has an interest in a business. Example, employees, customers, and investors are stakeholders. Scalability. Scalability means a business can grow without losing performance. Example, a scalable app can handle more users easily. Market share. Market share is the percentage of sales a company has in a market. Example, a company wants to increase its market share. Return on investment measures the gain or loss from an investment. Example, a high ROI means a good investment. Networking. Networking is building relationships for business opportunities. Example, attending events helps with networking. Competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is what makes a company better than others. Example, unique products can provide a competitive advantage. Brand loyalty. Brand loyalty means customers keep buying from the same brand. Example, loyal customers often recommend their favorite brand. E-commerce. E-commerce is buying and selling online. Example, many people shop through e-commerce websites. Conclusion, importance of vocabulary. Understanding business vocabulary helps. Improves your professional image. What new words will you add in your next conversation? Follow us for more interesting content like this.